Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So as usual, in the beginning of the month we have prepared new fundamental report. So as usual, you can find it in my blog here on the site ForexPeaceArmy. So this month we have not many events, so just taking a look as usual on the major fundamental background, some forecasts from the big analysts. And actually we come to conclusion that currently, since everything is going to some softer policy by the Fed, it's a positive moment for the cryptocurrencies. But as a major risks, we suggest some political and geopolitical events that could drastically change as a in general financial policy, and potentially could be considered as additional risk factors for global markets. If one of the negative events of the big scale really could happen, that definitely will make the negative impact on Bitcoin as well. So this currently the major risk in general. Everything right now stands on expectation, around expectation of the improvement ETF on the Ether. So let's see what will happen. Actually, it should be as it's supposed somewhere in July. So now we're turning back to the technical moment. If you take a look at the daily chart, everything is going with our trading plan. We said that this market currently hasn't broken yet this pattern, but it stands very close to the points of the possible failure of the hand and shoulders. And it's very difficult to find a moment where you could take the short position if you would like to. If you do not believe in this performance of the Bitcoin, suggest that market will turn down and break it and raise this pattern. Here's the moment to consider possible taking the short position. As we said in last update, that Bitcoin shows great downside for us here, and appearing of the nicely looking pullback and the bread and butter sell opportunity, which is a directional Napoli pattern, might create a great chance for those who would like to take the bearish bet on the Bitcoin without significant risk. And here's the moment has come. So if we take a look at lower time frame, market has completed perfectly our ABCD pattern here. Now it stands in agreement with the confluence resistance on the follow time frame chart, which is actually 63.60, 63.90 area. So this big resistance, ABCD agreement. And if you take a look at the hourly chart, you also could see that minor butterfly also has been completed right there. So we have the bearish pattern in place, ABCD target, strong resistance. So definitely this is the combination that could be considered as the background for probably taking the short position if you would like to. If you either trade on the intraday charts, you would like to take the scalp short position with the pullback, because minimum target of this stop will be 618 support and whole upper rejection, which will be around 60.40 approximately, I suppose. Also not bad, actually potential around $3,000 Bitcoin, so not bad. But potentially, if indeed bears will take control of the market, that might become starting point of some bigger action if hand shoulder starts failing. So if market will return it back down, will break these lows, keep going lower. So in this case, it might be much better downside potential for this market. Speaking about bullish positions with this hand shoulders pattern, currently, if you haven't taken position at the bottom, as we suggest around confluence last week, we have the bread and butter in place, so at least you have to wait when bread and butter will be completed. So it means that at least you have to wait when the market will reach this level, back to the 60.40 area approximately. So because this is minimum target of the bread and butter, and then see what will happen. If we'll get really strong collapse here, definitely it's not the good point for considering taking new long position. You have to wait a bit more. If action will be really gradual and slow and lower time frame, well, that will be good retracement where you could consider taking a long position with the stops below the low of the right arm. So your classical approach for trading on the hand shoulders pattern. So that's actually the only new pattern that we have currently, and let's see what will happen with it. And probably it will working for 1-2 sessions, supposedly, at least, maybe even longer. So, and then based on the result of this pattern, we probably should see whether the hand shoulders will work, the market will turn up, or still it will fail, and we should be ready for a drop below the 55 first, and approximately it's maybe the open space right down to the 50 even area.